Hi, I'm Dr. Genevieve Hill-Thomas, and we're standing here in the exhibition of Multiple Prince Twins 7/7. We're here with one of my favorite works in the exhibition. This is My First Dream in Rhode Island, and it's mixed media on paper, and Prince Twins 7/7 drew this entirely himself. It was drawn in 1972, and of course, like the title says, it's based on his dream in Rhode Island. Prince said of dreams that, quote, "I follow my dreams. I follow my mythological thinking. I try to draw in some of the cultural beliefs that I have. At the same time, I don't want to paint what is existing in this world." One of the reasons why I love this so much is, of course, we know from the title that he drew this when he was in Rhode Island. Now, I'm from New England, so I know what New England looks like. And to me, when I look at this, I can imagine that this is one of the many churches in the small New England town in the forest where I played as a child. And of course, we have two squirrels here. But at the same time, we can read this as a mosque somewhere in Yoruba land and monkeys in the tree. We don't have to choose which location it is. And once again, we see the multiple in Prince Twins 7/7's work. I hope you'll be able to come in and see these amazing works for yourself here at the Museum of Fine Arts in St. Petersburg. They're on view now until January 15th.